Hey everybody, Derek here, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repurpose your content using AI. Chances are good if you're creating and you're building content, then you're not utilizing and you're not squeezing the absolute most that you possibly can. And today we're gonna fix that. So let's go ahead, let's dive in the computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing on a video that I just did a couple of days ago and how we're gonna be utilizing this. So let's go ahead, let's jump in and get started. All right, so as you can see, we are inside of Claude. We're in the desktop app, which I highly recommend that you get the desktop app for Claude. It's so much better. But what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking a YouTube video that I just shot, and we're going to be using Claude to help us repurpose the content for this YouTube video. This YouTube video has not even been uploaded yet, so you're going to be seeing this before I even actually technically upload it. So the first thing that we're going to do, I've shot the video. As you can see right here, this is the video here. And what this video is about, it's about how to use Claude Desktop to tap into API keys, so that way you can build topical authority maps and do SEO analysis. So that way you're not, spending a fortune on all of these different types of tools. You can just come in with a Claude subscription and get this knocked out dirt cheap. So that's what the video is about. So what I got to thinking about when I was going to upload it, I was like, you know what? I need some help with titles, descriptions, and really squeezing the most that I possibly can out of this video. So what I did was I took the video and then I uploaded it to this transcription service. This is something that I have. It's called Otter. And the reason I like this, it's super, super quick. And I'm able to upload this, and in a matter of just a couple of minutes, I'm able to get a really good transcription. And as you can see right here, now, you don't have to have this particular tool. There's plenty of other transcription services that are out there, but this is the one that I'm using. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to go to export, and I'm going to just make sure this is done on a clipboard. You can export all these different formats here, and we're just going to click export, and this is going to copy this to my clipboard. And I'm going to come over here into Claude, and I'm just going to paste this in first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here, and I have a prompt here that you can see right here. And it's just asking for us to analyze, or for Claude to analyze this particular transcription. So what we're doing here is we have built the video, we've created the video, and then we got the thing transcribed. And now we are popping this transcription over into Claude to say, hey, I want you to analyze this transcript and help me create my YouTube optimization. And I want you to create a good title, good description, tags, so that way I'm not having to waste a lot of time doing this. And then if I want to manually, modify these as I see fit, then I can always do that. I always tell people, remember, you don't have to publish what the AI says, right? You can modify it a bit if you want. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this in, and we're just going to let this run. And this is going to give me what they feel like I need to create, or what I need to do in terms of a title and description and tags for this particular video based on the transcription that I have provided. And again, in most cases, if you are running a small man operation, a lot of times you will see, like, if you're creating, it's only going so far. So what you want to do is you want to try to squeeze as absolute most that you possibly can out of your content creation efforts, so that way you can hit every possible channel that you possibly can. So you can see right here, based on my analysis of Derek's transcript about using Claude AI for SEO topical authority, here are the optimized YouTube assets. Titles: build SEO content maps with Claude AI free method. Okay, not bad. The only thing is, this needs a Claude subscription, so I don't know if I could use that or not, but that's not bad. Claude AI SEO topical authority without expensive tools. I like that, because there's a lot of different tools that are out there that will do, topical maps and this and build out content analysis and that sort of thing. And they're super, super expensive. So you can do a lot of that in Claude. If you've not watched that video, I highly recommend that you check that video out. If you're into SEO at all, I recommend that you do that. Watch that video because it's really good. How I create content strategies using Claude Desktop. Okay, so these three, they're not bad, right? And then we have our description. You can see here, here's the hook, the first 125 characters. Learn how to build complete SEO topical authority using Claude AI Desktop. No expensive tools needed, just smart prompts. You got the full description, and the full description gives you the key takeaways. And also this included the timestamps that you see right there, automatically done. And this is, again, all because we uploaded this transcription inside of Claude, so we don't have to worry about tinkering with the timestamps or anything like that. And then you've got the resources, you got the download link that they're recommending that I provide, and then our next level coaching that I mentioned in that particular video at 60% off, and then the data for SEO. So ready to transform your SEO strategy, hit subscribe and click the bell for more AI-powered marketing tutorials. So I like this a lot. I would probably make, like I said before, I'd probably make some small modifications to it to make it sound a little bit more like my voice, but for the most part, they hit it out of the park with this. And then you've got the tags. These are all the tags that they are suggesting. So you can see Claude AI, SEO Tools, Topical Authority. So this gets a lot of the tags that I would be plugging in there for my YouTube video. And then you can see here, we've got the pinned comment. What's your biggest challenge with SEO content planning? Drop a comment with your niche and I'll help you brainstorm some topical authority ideas. I probably would not do that just because I don't like the way YouTube's algorithm is from the standpoint of the comments section for whatever reason. Like I don't see all of them and it's kind of hard to read sometimes. So typically when I put in a pinned comment, it's usually, hey, for more, go here or go there. But this is not bad, right? So then you got the YouTube Shorts hashtags, and then you've got the end screen call to action text, and then you've also got related videos to link, and then also this gives us a thumbnail text overlay of what we need to include for a thumbnail image that you can see right here. And then if we wanted to run ads, this gives us a YouTube ads audience if we wanted to do that as well, and then the ad targeting keywords. So not bad for uploading a video, getting the transcription, and then just putting in a prompt and having all of this built for us. I didn't have to really think about any of this stuff, probably make a few tweaks here and there, but again, that's it. So now what we want to do is we're going to go back over here to our prompt here, and I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go back over to Claude, and I'm going to paste this in right here. Now you can see I've already run this. Actually, what happened was my microphone died. I don't know what happened, but I shot this entire video that you're seeing right now, and it ended up being about 12 minutes long, maybe 13 minutes long. And once I ended it, I go back and checking everything, and everything's perfect. And then about probably halfway through, the mic just dies. So I don't know what happened, if I bumped a cord or something, the feed just died out, but whatever it was, that's what happened. So we're going to redo this step right here. So I'm just going to click this. I'm going to hit save just like I would if I were to, if I was prompting this for the very first time. And what this is doing is this is analyzing the same transcript, but now transforming the transcript into Facebook posts, Instagram suggestions, LinkedIn posts, Twitter. And so that way, and then we got TikTok as well as Shorts. So that way we can squeeze the absolute most from this one video. So this 14-minute video now is all of a sudden going to have all of the highlights pulled from it. And then it's going to be where we can use this for our content for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, the whole nine. And we're using AI to format this in a way that is optimum for each platform, because each platform has their own thing, right? You gotta format Facebook content a certain way, Twitter a certain way. And so what we're doing, we're leveraging AI. So for those of you that are not on the AI bandwagon yet, this is where you could really take advantage of this. Is like in this case, I'm using my own words, I'm using my video, I'm using my creation, but I'm just leveraging it to multiply content across multiple channels. And as a result, by hitting Facebook, by hitting IG, by hitting TikTok, by hitting all of these platforms, we've got our own channel across all these platforms. What we're going to do is we're going to get more eyeballs, we're going to get more views, chances are good we're going to make more sales. And at the end of the day, by these being active, we are going to rank higher in the search results as well. And this is also going to help us be mentioned in the AI search as well, to add to all of those the additional benefits. So you can see right here, social media content analysis. We've got the Facebook post. Here's the educational post. I'm going to go through a couple of these. I'm not going to read all of these, but just to give you the idea of what we created here. So 3 game-changing SEO tips I learned using Claude AI. After building topical authority maps that convert like crazy, here's what moves the needle. And then we've got these 3 tips here. Focus on buyer intent, not search volume. Layer your content strategy. Platform-specific keywords are gold mines. So this would be something I would probably make a few tweaks along the way, just like everything else. And I would be perfectly good posting this as a Facebook post, okay? So you need to get your volume up across all of the platforms. Then this is a good way to do it because you're just leveraging what you're already doing across all of these different channels. So then you've got the story-based posts. So I just saved $300 a month on SEO Tools. So I'm sitting here last month looking at my tool subscription, Ahrefs $99 a month, SEMrush $119 plus 3 other essential SEO tools, $400 plus monthly burn rate just to do keyword research painful. Okay, so I probably wouldn't mention these companies by name, but you guys get the idea here of what we're talking about. Now I can build the same topical authority maps for literally pennies. Okay, I like this hook. I like this angle, saving money, able to pull the same results in all using AI. I like that a lot. And again, this is a video that I'm in the process of uploading. So if you've not watched that video, be sure to check it out. It's on my channel here. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're on something else, then just do a scroll and you will find that video somewhere in one of my recent posts because I'm literally uploading it right now. Question post. When you're planning content for SEO, what matters more to you? A keyword with 10,000 searches versus a keyword with 100 monthly searches. I used to be team high volume until I tested this Claude AI approach, focusing purely on buyer intent keywords like discount codes and trials. Now, that's not really a Claude approach. That's just our general SEO approach after going after some high profile, high search volume keywords. We just found that we made more money on the ones that had strong buyer intent. So I would tweak that a little bit, but you get the idea. This is a good post that I can run with. So now we got the Instagram. This gives us slide concepts. You can see suggestions for each of the slides, and then we've got the real hooks that this is giving us suggestions for. So, like for example, I just replaced 5 expensive SEO tools with Claude AI. And then you've got some additional ones here. Everyone's chasing 10,000 search volume while I'm targeting 100. I like that. Then it gives us caption variations for the IG stuff, and then we go down here. We've got the hashtags, and then we've got our LinkedIn post. Okay, so at the end of the day, this is taking one thing and turning it into a minimum of 10 different pieces that we can use all across these different platforms. And again, these are optimized for each one of the platforms. So you can see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all of these read similar, but they're a little bit different based on the platform and what the content requirements are on those particular platforms. And then we got 10 standalone tweet ideas. And then we've got quote tweets. We got TikTok shorts. So this is all done from just prompting Claude with a transcription from one single YouTube video that was about 14 minutes long, I believe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a lot out of it. If you did, give it a like, give it a share wherever you're watching this. If you want this prompt, then this is included in my Next Level members area. You'll find a link below in the description. Also, if you're interested in this content multiplication, like what we're talking about here, there is a way that we are doing this. I call it automated links, where this is set up in an automated fashion, where every time you create a new YouTube video or create a new blog post or piece of content, then it gets spread across the web, allowing you to multiply your content across all of these different channels. And as a result, that helps you rank higher in the search results. So if you're interested in that, you'll find a link below for that program as well. So hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one.